Hey, what's up?
Hello.
It's Clayton J.
And Allie.
And today we are going to be making our room house tour. Let's go.
All right when you walk into the apartment, to the right, there is my selling stuff. That's all we have left to sell, so hopefully we sell soon because I want to use it for other things. Come on. Not you, pull up, come on. And then right after that, we have our shoes and a bunch of random stuff on top. And you come right through, and it is our bathroom. This is my favorite area. You got the vanity. And we just got this at Goodwill today. It's super cute. I love it. Then we keep our lotions, toothbrush, soaps over there. And you come to our toilet. You coming over to our toilet? That's our toilet. This is where I hang my sleepy things that I wear after the shower. These are my clips. Clay put his plant here. And then a bunch of other stuff. His underwear goes in this corner over here. And then we got our scale. And then our laundry, perfumes, stuff like that, and our shower. And then in the shower we have a spray that detaches for the dogs. And Clay's bath mat.
Alright guys, come on this way. So, we are now in the kitchen. We got a good trash can from TJ Maxx we bought for
$27.
$27. So that's good. Come on this way. We gotta come over here. Check this off. Is it the 9th today?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So we're right here. Alright. Then when you come over here, we got like all of our spices and little stuff like that right here. You know, we got all the cooking stuff that you would need for the oven is right here. We also got this, which is a thing you stand on. And we got it because look how high this is. It's freaking high as crap. So I always got to use this to get up here. And this is my favorite one, you know. Today I'll be happier than a bird with a french fry. I love that. That's my favorite thing in this house. Come on down. We got a nice oven stove. Definitely dirty. My bad. We got all the stuff right here. We got some stuff down here, you know. Pan stuff, you know. We got, we're doing a dishwasher load right now. Got a good sized sink, you know. Everything like this. This is where we put our water bottles. We like to use like water bottles to drink water more than cups and stuff. Oh, this we haven't even touched.
Mm-mm.
Wow. This is beautiful. We're gonna put a picture right here. And then, yeah, this is just beautiful, you know. There's a couple cups, you know. Then we come over here, we got the fridge. Here's everything in the fridge we have.
Freezer.
This is the freezer. We got ice cream. We're planning, this is out on the counter because we're planning on making it soon. We're gonna make it because Allison's parents came today. We're gonna make it for them. Grandparents, yes, they're old parents. We're gonna make this for them, but it was too late. They came, they didn't stay that long. They just came to hang out for a bit. See the place. It was their first time seeing this place. So that's why the place is clean, okay? Because we were trying to show them a clean house. So then we got all this. Yeah, there isn't that much. That's why we're gonna go grocery shopping today. So there's not that much, you know. This is our favorite spray. It's spiced apple. Why we like it? It's only $1, so we really like it. You just do squirt. When we bought this place, it came with 2 hogs. Here's the first one. And there's the second one. They came with the leaves. Then we got this from Allison's grandma. You know, you sit right here. Perfect to watch TV as well, because it goes right into the living room. I will do the living room for you guys. Oh, first we gotta do this. This is the pantry. We got some stuff up here. Then we got like more of the candy stuff right here. We got more candy, and then this is like dog stuff right here. Plus, this is also dog, you know, we got some dog wet food. We got their teas right there. Okay, yep, then you come on down here to the living room. We got this cute plant too. Can't forget about a plant. Come on down here to the living room, you know. This is the living room. We got beautiful sun. Beautiful sun. We got a door. Outside, little pigs. Then you just let them hang out there. We got this for them. Over here is also for the dogs. It's beautiful. This is a little dog hangout session. If you're a dog, you can hang out in this section. You come over here, we got the TV. Well, right here, actually, this should be going in my car. Just got my brand new car, so this will be going in the back of my car. It's just basketballs, footballs, it's everything that was in my other car when it got hit, you know, we put it in here. Just basketballs, footballs, tennis. We had like every single sports to play, so we put that in the back of the car. This will be outside in the summer. It's just a little chair. And if you look here, a pig is pooping. A pig is walking, pooping. You don't see that on the daily, do ya? Alright, you let her have her own business. It seems like our Xbox is on, but these are the games we have for the Xbox. I'm going to show you guys really quick. We got Call of Duty WWII. Then we got the SpongeBob game that we've been playing. This is called Bikini Battle for the Bikini Bottom Dehydrated. We've been playing this. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. Then we got Grand Theft Auto 5, definitely on the better side. I do like that game a lot. We got Minecraft, have not been playing it. I literally got it because I thought my brother would come here, Alex, and hang out here to play this with me, but he has not even came here to my new apartment. So that's literally the only reason why I bought that game for Alex, because he likes playing it. Then we got this game. It came with, we bought it off Facebook Market, and it came with this game. Definitely not a big fan of wrestling. I have not even played it, so. But it also came with NBA 2K21. I do like basketball, so yeah. These are just filled with random stuff, dog stuff and everything. We got our Uno games, you know, we love our Uno, so we got Uno Flip. We just bought the new Uno, have not played it. We kind of just bought it because we want to, that shelf Amy gave you, why don't we put Uno on it and hang it up somewhere? That'd be beautiful. One of our coworkers gave us a shelf for our camera. Because we did buy a camera for the dogs. When we're not home, we turn it on and we'll watch the dogs. Mostly since now Molly got cut open, you know, to take out her babies. I don't know what you call that, neutered. So I think that'd be cute to hang up our Unos on that too. That'd be pretty cute. We got that. We got another Uno right here. Yeah. Then we got the big couch, you know. This can fit 2 full-size people laying down on it. Or it can fit like 8 people could sit down here and hang out. So that's really cool. This is one of my favorite couches ever. I love being on this couch. I'm literally on this couch 24/7. All right, now we're gonna show you the room.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, so we hang up all our coats or jackets right here. Then after you walk in, you gotta come in. I usually just have my belts here because this door we don't use. It's the water heater and stuff, and it's really scary.
Yeah, it's pretty scary.
So we do stay out of there the majority of our time. But other than that, the dog's food and water dishes are right here. And then you come into the closet. We have our extra blankets, our extra bags, winter stuff, and then my socks and underwear is up there. And then that's a bunch of miscellaneous things. And then right down the middle, you got Clay's whole side, so he gets that whole entire side. And he has his pants, shorts, everything that he needs over there. And then this side is my side. So I have all my shorts, pants, and skirts, and then all my tops over there. Molly's toy bin's down there right now. But then that's just more selling stuff. And then he keeps his ring light right here. And then we have our nightstand. There's some clothes in here, but there's not a lot. His wireless charging pad, and then we have our bed. And these are dog stairs that we got at the Goodwill outlet for the dogs. I don't really use them, but they work for them. And then you have our window, same view as the other one. TV and filing cabinet, that's just extra pillows in our fan. And then our safe, and a bunch of junk. And then another laundry basket. We got 3 of them around here. And back out to the living room.
So this one is our apartment, and if you just come straight down here, first of all, this is a storage room. So that's where we could get our storage if we need a storage room.
There's a couple ones around here.
Yeah, if you just keep walking down here and turn right here, boom, here you go.
And guys, the ones that we always use, we have to use this washer right here because it works the best and it's the biggest one. And then we skip this, and this is the dryer that we use. It is 50 cents more expensive, which I might go back to using the dollar one because this one doesn't even completely dry it either.
Yeah.
And then if you ever get into a dilemma and have to wash your eyeballs out, you do that right here.
There you go. And then we don't live that much far away from the gym. The gym's just
We're on
down
the
here.
first floor, so everything. That's another storage room.
Yeah, another storage room. And if you just keep walking down here, and look, we got cameras up in this bitch, so no one can come. That's where we get our mail. Also, the doors are locked, so you have to have a key to come into the apartment, or you have to let someone has to let you in.
Guys, this is where I spend my weekdays at. You got the bathrooms on either side over here, and then we even got this special sauna where you do not want to get locked in. There's no light bulbs. Actually, there should be.
No, I don't think so.
I don't know. That's our sauna, though.
And this is it.
And we don't really have a lot, but we have enough to do workouts, which I've never even seen this thing before, but this is how you do it.
Mm-hmm.
Come over here. We do got a bench. Then these are mostly arm workouts over here. Got some more benches. That's
And no one's ever here.
Literally no. I come here all the time and there's never anyone. We got some treadmills and you can even watch TV.
Here, hold this really quick. Come with me. And you don't want to mess with me. Ow, that fucking...
No, show them your moves. That's why you gotta...
Damn, this shit hurts.
That's why you can't break into our apartment, because he can beat you up.
Does this one hurt? Oh my god, that one hurts even more.
That's why you gotta stay away from him.
It used to have one that was really soft.
No, they didn't. They haven't changed up Clay. You're just not a puncher.
Not a puncher, that hurts. Alright, so that's everything in our apartment. You know, we have our apartment room, and then we have laundry that costs $1 to $1.50 each load. And then we have this gym that comes with the apartment, and it has cameras in this apartment. It also has locked doors, so you cannot come into our apartment unless you have a key or if someone lets you in. And so that's pretty cool. And also, how much is it?
$6.95 a month.
$6.95 a month.
All utilities included.
All utilities included, you know, so it's actually a pretty cool place. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for being here. Comment down below your guys' apartment, like how much your rent is and everything. This is in Iowa. We are in Iowa, so obviously it's more cheaper. Comment your rent. Comment if you get utilities all included. Do you guys have a gym? This gym is obviously not like the best, but it has what you need. You know, that's all that matters, you know. But yeah, thank you guys. Love everyone, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.